Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most popular entry-level DSLRs that continues to be a favorite for beginners, students, and creators stepping into photography. This is the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, paired with the classic 1855mm kit lens. With a 24.1 MP CMOS sensor, Digic 4 Plus image processor, built-in Wi-Fi, and full HD video recording, this camera offers a clean and reliable starting point for anyone wanting to capture sharper, more professional-looking photos. Right out of the box, the Rebel T7 delivers impressive image quality. Its 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor captures high-detail photos with great color accuracy, making it ideal for portraits, landscapes, travel photography, product shots, or everyday content creation. With the Digic 4 Plus processor, images are processed quickly, keeping colors natural and exposure well balanced. The included 1855mm lens is extremely versatile. You can shoot wide-angle scenes like group photos and landscapes, then zoom in for close-up portraits or product shots all with one lens. For anyone learning photography, this range is perfect to start exploring different shooting styles without needing additional lenses. Full HD 1080p video gives you clean and smooth footage for vlogs, tutorials, travel videos, and social media content. While this camera isn't meant for high-end filmmaking, it absolutely delivers dependable video quality for everyday creators. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you transfer photos wirelessly to your phone or tablet using the Canon Camera Connect app, making it super easy to upload your shots to Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. It's also convenient for remote shooting, letting you frame, focus, and capture images directly from your device. The Rebel T7 features a comfortable grip, intuitive controls, and Canon's user-friendly interface, making it perfect for beginners who want to learn manual photography without feeling overwhelmed. The optical viewfinder provides a natural shooting experience with minimal lag, something many new photographers really appreciate. If you're looking for a reliable entry-level DSLR with great image quality, easy controls, strong battery life, and Wi-Fi sharing, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is still one of the most dependable picks in its category. Check out the Amazon link in the description below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Gadgetverse for more daily tech reviews.